have been known to commit horrible acts of violence. But what about the Pleasantville werewolf? No citizens have been harmed. No livestock gone missing. Either there is no werewolf, or...
Maybe, just maybe, he's good. This is great. I'm telling you, man, she's calling me out. I can tell her now.
Calling you out? Yeah, hold up, Stone Cold Steve Austin. This isn't pro wrestling.
I know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna wait until I wolf out. I'm gonna climb up her back porch and sneak in her window.
Yeah, that's a good idea. I believe the police have a cute little name for that. I think it's breaking and entering.
You're right. I gotta take it slower. Hey, I got third period off. I'm gonna go get a flower. I'm gonna put a note on it telling her to meet me in the park and... Why is your hair gray?
Maybe I'm going prematurely gray, like former funny man Steve Martin, or haunted housewife Lily Munster.
Okay, then explain the wrinkled skin to me, please.
Yeah, maybe I was in the bath too long.
You take baths?
What's important here is that I have the love of a good woman.
Was that violent? A little old school, but it's kind of cute.
Easy.
Good werewolf? You know, typical bleeding heart press. That werewolf is dangerous, and Tim has the scars to prove it.
Emotional scars, mostly.
Trav.
Hello, Miss Thorne.
Hello, young man. Did your girlfriend enjoy the flowers?
Oh, I never got a chance to give them to her. That's why I'm back. This time I'd like to get one single red rose.
Oh, I have a lovely one right here.
So, my buddy Merton really seems to like your niece.
It's mutual. Violet finds him quite invigorating. Here you are, with my compliments.
Thank you very much. She's really gonna like this. Take care. Got the card.
Have you any prune juice?
Hey, listen to me. I just came back from the flower shop. You remember that old lady, Mrs. Thorne?
Yeah.
She's not really Mrs. Thorne. She's Violet.
Yeah, what are you getting at, Sonny?
Excuse us. Come here.
Oh. Yeah.
She took her gloves off and touched a bunch of flowers. The flowers died. And then she turned young. She sucked the life right out of them, man. And I think that's what she's doing to you.
Don't talk that way about my Violet!
Can't you see? The gray hair, the wrinkled skin, the twisting of the ears? She's turning you old every time she touches you.
Old? If by old you mean we have a mature relationship, and unlike you and your puppy love infatuation with Susie...
Stacy.
Yeah, that's the one.
Merton, listen to yourself. You're talking like an old geezer.
Ah, that's crazy talk. Now, will I get the cap over this young man? And where's my prune juice?
If you want to know more about the good werewolf, meet me in the park tonight. This is great.
Hi, Stace.
Hi, Tommy.
Want to do something tonight?
Well...
It's 2-for-1 bowling at the factory tonight, and the shoes are free. Can't beat that.
No, normally you can't, but, well, I'm doing an interview tonight with someone, about the story that I wrote.
Oh, yeah, that's right. The werewolf thing.
Yeah.
That's too bad.
But, hey, maybe next time?
Yeah.
Okay, great.
Nah, maybe tonight.
Excuse me, sir. Can I have a quarter?
Money doesn't grow on trees, young man. Now am straight.
Merton! You must be careful.
Oh, I'm invincible. invincible when we're together, Violet.
Merton Dingle, I do declare you make a girl blush.
No! It's I who must do the declaring. I've never felt this way about a gal before.
Merton.
I believe the technical term is gaga. I need you, Violet Thorne. Please tell me you feel the same.
Merton, unfortunately, I need you too.
I know you're in here. Listen. The plan worked, man. Stinky's gonna meet me. Ah! Merton?
Hey, speak up, Sonny. And close the door. What are you, born in a barn? It's drafty in here.